Guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai desserts. This is the royal flour dumpling, or in Thai we call Chor Muang. First we gonna make the filling. Over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of samgre or garlic, cilantro and pepper. And then we gonna add the onions. Stir until the onion is translucent. And then we're gonna add the pork, stir to cook and break up the pork. The next is the Chinese sweet radish. And then we're gonna add the coconut sugar, salt, and seasoning sauce and stir fry. When the filling is cooked, it's time to taste. The filling should be salty, sweet, and seam over seasoned. The ingredients I will put in the description box. In the final, we're gonna add ground roast peanuts and stir until everything is almost dry, and then let it cool down. Move from the heat and leave the filling to cool down, and then shape into a small ball, 1 teaspoon size. And then we're gonna make the dough. We're gonna combine the flour. We use rice flour, tapioca starch, and also the sticky rice flour. Mix everything together and also prepare the butterfly pea water. This one we're gonna add some of the lemon to change color from blue to purple. If you doesn't have, you can use just the color purple for food color. And then we're gonna add some of the water, just enough to knead it, and then continue to knead until all is homogeneous. And the next is just put all the water together and mix well. And now we're gonna add remain water and mix it well and put into the pan, prepare for cook. Stir to completely dissolve the flour and turn the heat on to medium to low heat and stir constantly with the spatula until it's almost cooked 80%. Scraping the bottom and folding into the upside until it's crumbed into the round dough. Now it's okay, turn off heat. It should not be smooth at this stage, but it should not be wet anymore. And transfer the dough onto your preparing workstation and put a bit of the flour to make it not stick, and then knead just until it's smooth. The dough will be hot. You just use the spatula to help to knead it because it's just too hot, and this way it will make you easier until it's smooth. And then just wait for 10 or 12 grams for the dough. And for the filling, we just use 1 teaspoon or 10 grams. And then wrap with the filling. For this step, if you feel like sticky on your hand, you just use a bit of the oil, vegetable oil, or use the flour to help the dough is not stick on your hand. For me, I gonna use the vegetable oil to make it not stick, and also the tooling that we gonna use is now like this. Just put a bit of oil to make it not stick. And then pitch with the twister into the petal shape, dipping the twister into the flour, or use like me, just put a bit of the vegetable oil and to prevent sticking. Just take a look on my video and then do it the same, and will be more easy to understand. We gonna make level by level from the middle of the circle, and then the next level just do the same. Continue until it's completely. Now it's steam for the dumpling for 5 minutes. And then the dough will become more translucent once cooked. Remove from the steamer onto the serving plate and immediately brush with the garlic oil to prevent them from drying out. And now it's ready. It's so beautiful and delicious. You can try for this recipe. I think you will love it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.